powered by JOS hangar system and low-altitude inspection platform. JOUAV deliver a full-scenario smart transportation solution for maintenance, operations, and emergency response. Designed for expressways, highways, and urban roads, it redefines air-ground integrated inspection, empowering smarter mobility from the low-altitude sky. JOUAV JOS hangar system unifies VTOL and multi-rotor UAVs with automated docking, enabling autonomous flight, self-charging, and 24/7 operations. JOUAV CW UAVs deliver long endurance and wide area coverage, reliable across mountains, deserts, and long-distance corridors. With HD imaging and AI analytics, they enable rapid surveying, mapping, and 3D modeling help detect pavement risks, identify damaged traffic safety facilities, ideal for large-scale highway inspections, remote mountain road coverage, and 3D road asset inventories. JOUAV PH drones deliver high agility and precise hovering ideal for bridges, tunnels, slopes, and close-range inspections. Enable close-range inspections and all-weather hazard monitoring. With rapid deployment for special missions like traffic monitoring, violation detection, aerial broadcasting, and more. Working together, the two UAV types enable overall awareness, intelligent coordination, and rapid response. The low-altitude transportation inspection platform combines monitoring, analytics, management, and command. It connects the full workflow, from mission planning to closed-loop response, accurate defect detection for routine, special, and emergency inspections. 3D models, point clouds, and asset records create full life-cycle digital archives. Multi-temporal analysis enables dynamic hazard tracking and life-cycle management. One unified dashboard for real-time road network visibility. Automated reports and work orders enable a closed-loop workflow from detection to resolution. Transportation scenarios are complex. JOUAV handles them with ease. Full coverage inspections across bridges, tunnels, slopes, and pavements, accurate detection of cracks, subsidence, and defects. Digital records enable continuous health monitoring, real-time visibility of traffic flow, illegal parking and traffic assets, intelligent violation detection with instant evidence generation, a complete view of road conditions, live video for real-time awareness, enable aerial guidance, rapid response, support coordinated rescue and post-disaster assessment. JOUAV Smart Transportation Solution, driving safer, smarter, more efficient transportation management.